Okay, I started with okay again. Anyways, so we went to Costco today because it's October 13th. It's actually Prime Day as well, and we found really good deals all over. We actually found a pretty good deal for the AirPods Pro, the wireless headphone. It's actually on sale for about $199 on both Amazon and Costco, but we went to Costco because at Costco we were able to get this at $199, but at the same time we were able to purchase the Apple Care Plus, the extended warranty, for half the price, which is about 13 bucks, 12 bucks or so. So it's a pretty good deal. Just want to do a very quick open box of this thing for everybody and just appreciate the wonderful industrial design. And also, yes, today is the Apple event for iPhone 12 Pro. Hopefully we'll be able to get the new one and also do an open box for everybody, but here it goes. So to unbox the AirPods Pro, that's all the information on the back. It's actually just right here. There's a small there's a small tag that you pull and then it's going to be unlocked. Let's see if we capture the sound of it. There it is, and wow, it didn't really peel off in one piece, but yeah, plastic. Paperwork. They're designed by Apple, California, AirPods, you know, all the things. Right here is the AirPods Pro. It's been out for a year or so. I've been using my AirPods for 2-3 years now. This guy is dying as in I cannot really take phone calls longer than 30 minutes. It dies on me. Not good for Zoom calls. And yeah, the battery just doesn't hold anymore. So that's why I went for this guy, and just for the wonderful plastic sound. And there it is. That's the new AirPods Pro, and that's what's inside. It's magnetic as the original AirPods, and it should have wonderful sound isolation. And it's a wireless charging pad as well, so we'll be able to throw this on top of a wireless charger and we'll be working just like magic, according to Apple. But that's it. That's a super quick open box or unboxing of this AirPods Pro. I'm going to pair this up with my antiquated iPhone 10. Quickly, we're going to pair this up to our iPhone, and what's going to happen is, you know, pure magic, as Apple always likes to claim. Open this up and automatically the AirPods Pro is right there waiting for us to connect and sync up with it. User experience, guys. User experience. Magical. And that's it. Thank you very much. See you next time.